Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another love read for you. Aquarius, these are general readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin here. Angel Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, as always, let's take a Ganesha Oracle card to bless your reading, and then we'll take one from our angels and get on with your reading. So, Lord Ganesha, what do you have for my Aquarius? Blessing or an advice card for my Aquarius gang? And let's take one from the angels as well. Blessing or an advice card for Aquarius? Okay, so let's take this from Lord Ganesha Aquarius and this one from our angels. Put the rest back and get on with your reading. So the card we have from Lord Ganesha Aquarius is the card of the promise of the future. So if you are going through any kind of trouble right now, Aquarius, just don't worry because good things are coming. There's a promise of a beautiful future. Look at Lord Ganesha here looking at this brilliant sunrise, right? So things are going to become better soon. So if you're worried about something, don't be, because whatever you're looking for, I think you found it. Now, what have you found? Maybe an answer to your problems, or a person of your liking, I don't know. Let's get on with your reading, Aquarius, and see why these two beautiful cards are here for you today. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of the Omkara family. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our channel. Do subscribe and become part of us. We welcome you in. So let me explain this, Aquarius. Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. So for the duration of the reading, Aquarius, I'll be calling them person A, person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. And if it's neither, then of course it's not your story today. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Aquarius, you can reach me at my email, which is in the description box below. So bottom of my deck, I did see the Two of Cups. So for a love reading, a Two of Cups is really apt, isn't it? So this is definitely regarding a soulmate connection. Now let's see where you guys are at. Let's start by opening the cards for person A. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Wands, upright, Two of Swords, Page of Cups, the High Priestess, and the Ace of Wands in reverse. Let's see for person B. We have the Empress, King of Swords, Nine of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the Star, and the Ten of Pentacles. Lovely. So let's start with person A. I think there's been a small little fight here, if I'm not mistaken, Aquarius, between the two of you, where I see that there's a Queen of Pentacles feeling very, very ungrounded at the moment. Yes, this is the wife card. There has been maybe a bit of a fight where maybe the masculine said something or behaved in a certain manner which has made the feminine feel a little upset and angry. Yes, but this I think masculine also knows that it's his fault, and here they are trying to now make a decision, saying, oh, what did I do? I mean, maybe they said something or did something which has led to this fight happening between the two of you, Aquarius. And right now I think that I see a feminine energy who's not feeling very happy, not feeling their best. They're not feeling nurtured, not feeling cared for. And yes, now there are decisions to be made here regarding this fight which has happened. there is so much love here, but there is so much love here between the two of you, even though this seems like a small fight. It doesn't seem like anything major, Aquarius. I just see a King of Wands who's realizing his fault, that, yes, they did something which created a tower moment. I mean, not a big one from what I see, but they know it's whatever happened was their fault, right? Which has kind of really made their better half, their other half, a bit upset and angry. So now there is a lot of love, but there is a decision to be made by person A as to how to put things back into, a good place. Yes, they love their Empress so much, okay? They know that this is the person for me, this is the person who I can have fertility, growth, this is that loving queen above all queens, and there is so much love here, but there is a decision to be made from person A's side, who I think is the masculine, as to how now to apologize. How do I say sorry to my Empress? How do I kind of, stop this tower from falling? How do I heal this broken heart now that we've had this fight? I feel so much love for my feminine. This Empress is beautiful and makes me so happy. This is my wish fulfillment. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? What do they want to say to apologize? Somebody wants to take a cup of love to their Empress and apologize here, or offer love here. Yes, they are feeling very emotional, right? If they have been keeping any secrets, or any secrets were kept, or it was sorry, excuse me, or they can't talk right now, like I kind of choked up. If they are kind of feeling emotionally overwhelmed, this person really wants to come forward with an apology. And if they're keeping anything in their heart, they really want to now expose it all, right? They want things to move from this turbulent time into a calmer space. They don't want to hold any secrets. They don't want to be away from the Empress. They want to now rectify the situation, heal the broken heart, move out of this conflict. Right now, I think they are kind of healing also from this little fight that has happened between the two of you. Not feeling very passionate, I think, because things have really cooled down between the two of you. But they are kind of in contemplation and thinking, what can I say? What should I do? How do I take this apology? How do I rectify this fight which has happened? Person A is feeling very, very, very burdened and overwhelmed by this fight as well. They know it's their fault. They know they've been maybe selfish or not paid attention to their feminine. And yes, they are right now feeling alone here and overwhelmed. Yes, they have everything else that they need except love right now, which they desperately want. Yeah, they feel their whole life gets stuck with when the feminine is not around them. They feel alone and sad. Yeah. One more card, Spirit, for the Ace of Wands in reverse. This is the amount of love. This is the second time Aquarius's card has come out. This masculine here is very sorry for whatever they've done. And they really want to come out and come to you and tell you that they're sorry. They maybe are not finding the right words right now. They really would wish to. This is a beautiful partnership, Aquarius. I have the Two of the Cups twice here, right? So this is a soulmate connection. This seems like a minor fight. It's nothing major. Let's see person B where they're at. So person B is sitting on their throne. They're sitting as the Empress here, maybe rejecting the offer which is coming towards them. They know their worth. This is the Empress, queen above all queens. She's the wife, the mother. She's the person who brings in all the happiness and abundance and beautiful. But right now, I think whatever conversation that has happened with their masculine, she's kind of rejecting an offer from her masculine. Yes, this person is not wanting to give in or forget the past and start a new kind of a energy. This person is really not into that at all. So King of Swords, Spirit, King of Swords. they know very well that the masculine here has a lot of regret, or maybe both of you now have. Maybe the masculine said something with the King of Swords energy. Maybe they were harsh. Maybe there was some harsh communication which happened between the two of you, or maybe they feel their partner said something rude to them, and yes, they are now looking back and feeling bad about whatever has happened, and at this moment I think they're sulking and rejecting the masculine altogether, right? Even though I think I keep getting this feeling it's a very minor fight, because there are all beautiful cards on person B's side. There is the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. There is Six of Cups, which is equal give and take. Then they have the Star energy, and then the beautiful Ten of Pentacles as well, right? So I think there is Nine of Cups. Why is the Nine of Cups here, Spirit, for person B? Again, the Four of Wands with the Nine of Cups. So there is a lot of happiness between the two of you. This seems like a very minor fight, both missing each other. Yes, the feminine seems to be sulking at the moment, not accepting any love offer or giving, showing any love to the masculine, yet feeling that, you know, this is my person and I'm happy here. My home, life, everything is safe and secure, makes me happy. Yes, there is a feeling of equal partnership, but the only thing I think this feminine doesn't like is when the masculine becomes a bit over, controlling. Whenever they feel that the masculine is turning into the emperor, and that too in reverse, that means trying to control them or trying to take charge of their relationship or be a little bit of a dictator. I think this feminine kind of feels a little ungrounded and doesn't kind of accept or admire that quality about their masculine. This feminine only wants an equal partnership, where she's considered like an equal, right? We are best friends, we are partners, we are the Two of Cups, where our cups should be at equal level. Not one is bigger than the other, or you are, all this feminine has one thing, is justice, where the scales are always balanced. So, what's the Star energy, Spirit, for person B? Yes, I think whatever this masculine has said to the feminine, the feminine is right now healing from that. They are kind of sitting and sulking, yes, maybe, trying to heal themselves, trying to remove these swords which the masculine has plunged into their back during the fight, I think, trying to heal from that. But there is this Ten of Pentacles, which is a beautiful energy here, even though the feminine right now is kind of sulking, not having any communication, not trying to talk to the masculine right now. It's going to end soon, because sooner than later it's going to be a re-beginning, right? A small message, a small smile, a small text or something, where you guys are going to wrap up whatever happened in the past and start anew here. That is a beautiful Ten of Pentacles. I just can't get my eyes off this one, because this is happiness. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, I think sooner or later somebody is going to see things from a higher perspective and kind of stop kind of judging the other person as to who did what, I did this and so did this. I think somebody is going to see things from a higher perspective soon, Aquarius, and try and kind of make things right. Either accept that apology or start a conversation. It's not going to last very long. Magician, yes. Queen of Cups. And the Four of Wands again. What did I say? Okay, this was seeming like too sweet a reading, and I was hoping the mutual energies would be as great, but there are. So the Magician, Spirit, for the mutual energy. Magician, yes, this is a beautiful connection, Aquarius. You people are like soulmates. Maybe you've known each other for a very long time, or been married for a very long time, maybe a decade or more, or this person has always felt like home. This is a person you always felt, this is my soulmate from a past life or something. There is a lot of love, lot of friendship here, and right now I see both of you trying to manifest each other back. in your life, right? There is so much love here. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups spirit, where's the Queen of Cups here? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Yes, the queen, the feminine, I think, has pulled back her energy a little bit, is not really working with the masculine right now after this fight has happened. Maybe the masculine was trying to be playing mind games with her or trying to show her who's the boss or something. So instead of fighting back, this this feminine has just temporarily pulled back her love, not showing love right now. But soon this back and forth is going to end, Aquarius. Somebody is going to stop juggling or fighting or going back and forth. Somebody is going to drop the ball and say, hey, forget it, let's just be happy, right? It's going to lead you back to a very happy and victorious place between the two of you, because eventually I do see again the Four of Wands, which is a happy home, right? So let's see this Four of Wands. What's this Four of Wands for Aquarius and the partner? Some clear communication is going to happen very soon. You guys are going to cut through all the bullshit, and there is going to be happiness once again, Aquarius. So if you guys have had a small little fight, it's going to be all right. See, because you found your mate, your person is the person for you, and there is a promise of a beautiful future for the two of you. So nothing to be worried about here, Aquarius. This is, thank God, a very sweet and light reading after a very long time. If you want, I can take 3 cards of advice for you. Though I don't think you really need it, but I'll take them anyway. So Spirit, any advice for my Aquarius gang here? Any advice for my Aquarius gang? One more. Yeah, things may be quite a little bit at a stalemate right now, Aquarius. Somebody may be holding back or something. And if somebody has not been putting in the work, has not been investing in this relationship, somebody really does want to put in the work here now. This little fight that has happened between the two of you has only been a little maybe trick that the masculine was playing, maybe not showing their true emotions or trying to emotionally manipulate you. So it's I don't think it's a big deal here. Yeah, this is just a pause here, Aquarius. You know it deep in your heart. You already know. All the secrets are already within you. You know what's happening. Things are going to come back into balance, Aquarius. There is going to be a rebirth, right? So yes, it's the mistake is of the masculine. This person has been emotionally manipulating you. Maybe did something which made you feel that there is no justice. Maybe this was like a big fight or a tower moment here. Maybe you stopped talking to each other for a while. There was stagnancy here, but I do see a rebirth and things coming back into balance here. Okay, so Aquarius, make up quickly. Life is short. All right, enjoy each day, and there is going to be forward movement again coming up very soon for you. There is a promise of a beautiful future. So love and light. Take care, and I will see you soon, Aquarius. Namaste.